The mountains of western Honduras receive a lot of rainfall, as evidenced by their forest cover. But in the valleys, characterized by a tropical dry climate, the rain is scarcer. There, the farmers need a solution to irrigate and transfer the water to the crops. To cover these needs, our distributors offer the Sunlight Pump solar pump to these communities. They travel there, then technicians and farmers cooperate to take the materials up to the water source, often rivers located in the lower part of the farm, where water is abundant but far from crops. First, the suction hose is placed up to the water, while on the edge stays the solar pump Sunlight Pump. The water resource can also be a natural source, and no matter the forest cover, a cable extension always allows the solar panel to be located where it receives more sun. It is strategic that the pump discharges into a reservoir located in the upper part of the farm, in order to use later the water by gravity at the time and in the quantity that the farmer needs. Since 4 hours a day, the discharge of the pump varies depending on the radiation received by the solar panel. The ennos application connects to the pump via Bluetooth and allows you to follow its performance in direct time, as well as during the past month. In addition, the light on the controller are another source of information for the user. There are many places where you can easily install the Sunlight Pump and lift water at the height you need. Its very good efficiency allows that one solar panel is sufficient to move water on several kilometers and up to 40 meters in height. The farmer can store up to 25,000 liters of water per day, and even a good amount during cloudy days. But always remember, in order for your Sunlight Pump to work during many years and at its maximum power, read the installation manual.